How much does paternity testing cost in Fort Lee, New Jersey? Welcome back to IDTO DNA's channel. In today's video, we'll break down paternity testing costs for Fort Lee residents and the key factors to keep in mind when choosing the right test for your needs. How much does a paternity test cost? The cost of a non-legal home paternity test from IDTO DNA is $199.99. This includes either a father and child home test or a father, mother, and child home test. Each additional person added to the test is $100. An in-office non-legal paternity test costs $325. This includes either a father and child test or a father, mother, and child test. Each additional person added to this testing option is $100. A legal paternity test costs $375. This includes either a father and child test or a father, mother, and child test. Each additional person added to this option is $100. Results for both paternity testing options is 2 to 3 business days from the date the lab receives all DNA samples. Same-day results are available only for in-office non-legal paternity tests. Our legal DNA tests are handled by an AABB accredited partner lab, so results are accepted by family court and immigration agencies nationwide. It is important to keep in mind that the cost of your paternity test depends on several factors. 1. How many people are involved in the DNA test? 2. Are you performing a non-legal or legal paternity test? Legal paternity tests are more expensive due to the establishment of a chain of custody and the use of experienced third-party DNA sample collectors. 3. What is the location of the participants? If the parties live in 2 different cities in New Jersey or one party reside in a different state, split location collections will incur additional cost. What types of samples are used? The standard collection method is cheek swabs. Blood draws or forensic samples, for example, hair or bone, may incur additional cost because testing is more complex. Remember, the cost of a paternity test depends on several factors: the number of people being tested, whether you need a legal test or a peace of mind test, the locations of the parties, whether in the same city or different states, and the type of samples used for testing. How to contact us. Contact IDTO DNA today by clicking the link in the description below or by calling our office at 888-203-0583 for questions regarding your specific paternity testing circumstances or to schedule an appointment. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Stay tuned for more in-depth information about DNA testing in New Jersey. Until next time, take care.